Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rebecca Kaur, and in this video we are going to unbox Kindle Oasis 10th generation. I just got it few hours back around 9 p.m. and right now it's almost 2 in the night. I just couldn't wait to unbox it. So here I am, and this video has a bit of ASMR in it, so guys can enjoy that. Also, I used to have Kindle Paperwhite a few years back, and I have thoroughly enjoyed that device for at least 2 to 3 years. But there was one point where it started feeling like that the Kindle app is doing a good job in my iPhone and in my iPad, and I don't really need a Kindle device anymore, so I sold it. But then over time, I do realize that iPads and iPhones can be a bit distracting because there are a lot of notifications coming up and there are a million other things to do in your iPhone and iPad. So that becomes a quite of distraction, and it does not really help when you're trying to read, because sometimes you just want to stay away from your devices and you just want to be in that zone of reading, and it's not possible while you're doing your reading on your iPad or on your iPhone. So that's why I went ahead for this Kindle Oasis, which is a very much upgraded version of old Kindle Paperwhites. So let's just open it. Oh, I love doing that. I got this from Amazon and it costed me rupees 21,999. And if you are going to purchase it from the Amazon itself, then make sure that you just look for any sort of discounts on credit cards or debit cards, because there are many going on. This box is so nice. The surface where Kindle is drawn has a glossy finish to it upon touching, and the rest of it is matte. It just feels super nice. And I'm so excited to open it. I always ruin it. I have done it in my iPhones. Let's just hope I don't do it here. Although slow, but that was done perfectly well. So I ordered this device in the morning and I got it by evening because I have the Amazon Prime membership. So along with that, if you have good connectivity with your city, you will get this device the same day or max to max the next day. And this device comes under the warranty of 1 year. And if you will ever need any sort of service or any sort of repairs, Amazon will be liable to do that for you. These are all the features and the specifications of this device. There are page turn buttons, adjustable warm light, it's waterproof, which is quite amazing. You can sit near any water body and read on Kindle without thinking about ever damaging it. And it has 7-inch display, a Wi-Fi, and 8 GB of space. There is a 32 GB version as well, but I thought that 8 GB is going to be enough for me, so I got this one. Also, my Kindle is in graphite shade, but it comes in the champagne gold shade as well. And I would quite like to see it, although I'm pretty sure even if I see it and if I love the champagne gold shade, I would go for the graphite color, because I was really wanting it in this shade only. But yeah, I would like to see how the champagne gold color is going to look like in real. I am quite interested in that. So these are our manuals, which we are supposed to read, but we never do. And this is our USB 2.0 charging cable, which we are going to use to charge our Kindle device. We do not get the adapter with it because we have to arrange it by ourselves. The specifications of the Kindle device say that if we use the 5-watt USB power adapter, then it's going to charge our Kindle device in just 3 hours, and that charge is going to last for weeks. And we are going to see if that's true or not in my review video for it. Let's open it up. the color looks quite good. I love it so much. It looks so sleek, so gray, so matte. I'm just in love with gray shades so much these days. And this is how our Kindle device looks like from the front. There is a power button on top right hand side which we are supposed to press to power it on. And this is how it looks like. Let's just press it and turn it on. The first thing that you see once you power on your Kindle device for the first time is always this little person sitting under a tree reading. And now we have to select our language. And then we have to select our region. I was expecting that India is going to be there, but I don't know why we were supposed to choose between just US and UK. Maybe it's just for dates, formats, and standards, because then it makes sense. And this loading takes quite some time. I just increased the speed so you guys don't have to wait for it. And then there's some private information coming up, like your email ID, your phone number for your Amazon account, and that's why I had to blur the screen. But it's just a simple process of signing in your Amazon account. That's it. And then you will be given some tips on how to navigate around your Kindle device. Just some basics. Of course, there will be things that you will learn as you will start using the device, and it will take hardly 1 or 2 days to learn it fully because it's not that complicated. But yeah, if you're using it for the very first time, then you need to know how to just find your way around it. This is the library where all of the books that you have purchased, they're going to be there. And if you have a Kindle Unlimited version and you rent books from Amazon, then all the rented books are going to be there as well. And you can use these buttons to move the page upward and downward. I don't know why the upward button is taking the page downward and the downward button is taking the page upward. I hope we can change that. Let's open one book. So it's taking some time to load things around for now. I guess it's because it's being used for the first time, but then it will just warm up. So if you just rotate the device, the page's orientation will change as well. But if you want to read it in the landscape mode, then you can do that in the settings section. And here you can see the thickness of the screen. It's just so sleek, so slim. The device is very lightweight, and I absolutely love it for that. I do need to get a cover for it because I know it's going to get a lot of scratches if I don't get a cover. I did that mistake in my Kindle Paperwhite that I used to have, and it got a lot of scratches. But I'm not going to do that with my Kindle Oasis. And this is where we put the USB cable for charging. And this is how we go back to our library. This is our home screen where all the book suggestions will come up to purchase, or it will also give you an insight on your library. And to lock our Kindle device, we just have to press the power button. So guys, in this video, we unboxed Kindle Oasis 10th generation in graphite color with a storage of 8 GB, and we saw the first impressions of it. In my next video, I am going to give you guys an in-depth review of this e-reader and also how to navigate around it and how to use it. So stay tuned for that video and I will see you guys in that one. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below, did you guys like this device or not? Bye!